are made up of children and adolescents. And you see that there are more teenagers right now than children. No? So as pediatricians, we are tasked to take care of almost 40% of the population. And although we always think that young people, the younger population are a burden, they're actually an asset. And they are called, they're puhunan. And the first Lancet Commission on Adolescent Health and Well-being, published in 2016, called adolescents their demographic dividend. Ano ba yun? It means that these adolescents will grow up to be our leaders, our workers, our professionals, and will spur and drive economic growth and development of our countries. So, do you recall that it's always a problem if it's an aging population? Like Japan, it's a problem. They don't have enough people, young people, to take up jobs. So, we have this resource in terms of our adolescent population. So they should not be seen as a burden, but rather as an